everyone, this is Xuan from Cozy House. Today I would like to share a little credit card tip with you. Since I've started Cozy House, I was really lucky. I was able to get really cheap business class tickets and probably even cheaper than your economy class tickets. Why is that? This is the secret. Capital on Tap credit card. Those of you who use credit card a lot must have heard of the American Express, and you can connect various points on American Express. But unfortunately, a lot of the online stores and merchant guilds, they don't accept American Express because of the high charges. But this Capital on Tap credit card is just a normal Visa credit card, so you would be able to use it everywhere. And this have the similar benefits as American Express, so you can connect various points on this. And those of you who know me knows that I do maybe 5-6 large refurb. Each refurb costs between 100k and 200k a year. So I spend a lot on this credit card, and for every pound I spend, I was able to connect one obvious point. So last year I connected about 400,000 points on my personal account, and I was able to use it to convert them into quite a few tickets to go home to see my parents. I have a little girl, so travel business does help. And especially if you can just get it free or get it cheap, why not? I would strongly recommend this card. Ta-ta! Okay, that's it for today. Look forward to see you next time. Bye-bye!